Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I am Palvi. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So in today's video, it's a highly requested video. In today's video I will be showing you guys my updated skincare routine. So yeah, it was a highly requested video. Although my skin is not going through a very good time right now, as you can see I have a lot of pimples here and there because it's that time of a month. But although from the time I have changed my skincare routine, my skin was going through a really very good time. So I thought, why not to share this with you guys. And trust me when I say that most of the things are from one brand, but trust me when I say that this has worked really very well for my skin. So without further ado, let's get going to the video. So the first thing I do in my skincare routine is the scrub. So this is Mamaearth Cocoa Face Scrub with coffee and cocoa. As you know that Mamaearth is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin type. This scrub suits all skin type. So it tells that it gently exfoliates, it removes dead skin, and it removes skin impurities. So first things first, the smell of this product is like so good. If you are a chocolate fan or a coffee fan, you know you will like extremely like this smell. I and my mom were like so much into this smell and we loved the smell. So as you can see the texture of this is like very smooth, and also it has like a really very minute particles in this. Personally I use it twice a week, but you can go for thrice, not more than that, because this contains really very small particles. You can go thrice, but avoid going more than that. But personally for me, I apply this twice in a week. So also this contains shea butter, which moisturizes your skin like a lot. I have never seen any scrub who does that. Like whenever I apply this scrub, my skin is moisturized to a different level. So it's a plus point related to this product. So it contains shea butter, and so it moisturizes your skin. It does not leave your skin dry. So my skin type is dry, still it does not affect my skin. It moisturizes my skin and it does not leave my skin dry. So yeah, for me this product is really very good. A big thumbs up for this product from my side. When I come out of a shower, I use this toner. Again, I told you guys that most of the products are from one brand, and that is Mamaearth. I use this rose face toner which has witch hazel and rose water in it, and it is for pore tightening. Again, it is alcohol free and dermatological tested product, and again it is all SLS free, cruelty free, and all of that. So when you choose your toner, prefer using a alcohol free toner. So this is an alcohol free toner, so prefer using alcohol free toner. It claims that it detoxifies your skin, tightens open pores, enhances natural glow. So yeah, it does all of that. It claims whatever it does. The only thing I didn't like, maybe it can change, is the pump. So it does not have pump over here. So I have, and so you know you may overdo the toner, but I have transferred this into this bottle. So this has spray, so I have transferred my rose toner into this. But although I think if this packaging contains spray, then it would be a more comfortable product to use. Although the product is really very good, I really liked it, and it does help in pore tightening. I have major pore issues, and so I went for this toner, and it does help in pore tightening. And I have been using this for a month or maybe more, and it have benefited me in a lot of ways. So again, a big thumbs up for this toner. So after that I use this essence, which is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So this is really very famous essence, like everyone is campaigning this essence nowadays. So my sister on my birthday, she gifted me this. My birthday was like perfect 1 month ago. Today is 19th October, my birthday was 20th September, so it is like perfect 1 month ago, and still this bottle is so small. It is of only 722 ml. This bottle is so small, but still it's 1 month over, but still I am like this much down, like this much is still remaining. So this will last me for at least half a month. So yeah, this is, you have to take only 3-4 drops and you have to just pat it all over your face. I was a bit skeptical when I was buying this, like when I told my sister to get me this. I wanted to try this from a long time, but again, if you know all the controversies this have, like because it contains alcohol in this, so you know it does have a lot of controversies. But I do wanted to try this, and so I bought this. Like I told my sister that, you know, if you want to give something, then give this. But yeah, this has also really worked really good for me. So you have to use this twice a day. So again, I use this in my morning and nighttime skincare routine. I don't know about the individual products, like obviously they are really very good, but the combination of all the things have worked really well for my skin, I could say. The next thing I am using in my daytime skincare routine is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Sunblock Cream. Again, I have been using this from a really very long time. The only thing it has, it does leave a white cast when you apply it, but that's not a problem for me because it does not remain on your skin for a really very long time. It like dissolves and disappears after a few seconds, so that doesn't bother me at all. But otherwise it is really very good product. Like I use it almost every time. Sometimes I use it as my base also because it has a sticky formula, so it works really well under your makeup also, like a base. So yeah, I use it. Sometimes I use in that way also. And the last thing I do in my skincare routine, like the daytime skincare routine, is a lip balm. You know these guys, like I have been using this from a really very long time. It's about to finish, but I have found a really very good lip balm other than this. I will be sharing that. I'm still trying it, and it has been working really very well for me from past 4-5 days. I will be sharing that with you guys, but for now I have been using this Nivea Original Care lip balm. Again, a really very basic and a really very good product overall. So that is it for my daytime skincare routine. And in the nighttime skincare routine, I basically do the same thing. The only different product I use is, instead of sun cream, I use this Mamaearth Skin Illuminating Face Serum. This has vitamin C and turmeric. It claims that it reduces hyperpigmentation and it brightens and firms your skin. So again, this has been working really very good for me. As you can see the formula, it is like really very lightweight formula, and it just disappears into your skin. It gives you a little bit of shine because it contains vitamin C in this. This claims that it reduces hyperpigmentation. I do not go through a lot of hyperpigmentation, but I have noticed after using this products, I have noticed that my skin looks one tone, a bit more one tone than before. So this has definitely worked really well for me. Again, I love this product because again it is really very lightweight and it just absorbs into your skin in no time. So you know that works really very well during the night time. Although it tells that you have to use it twice a day, but I do not use it twice a day. I only use it in my nighttime skincare routine. If you want, you can use it twice a day, but it really works for me using once a day also. The only different thing I do in my nighttime skincare routine is I do not apply toner. I go with the L'Oreal Essence, and I go with this face serum and lip balm. That's it for my nighttime skincare routine. Again, I have been using this for a quite long time, like for 1 month or more than that, like around 1 month, and still I can feel it. Like you cannot see from outside that how much is finished, but I can feel it like only half of the thing is finished. And you know, because my face is like big, I use 2 pumps of it. You can obviously go and use 1 pump also. So yeah, again these all products are really very affordable, and you know they can last you for a really very long time also. I give big thumbs up to all of these products. I do not have any problem in any of the products. When I will like finish all this product, I will definitely go and purchase this again. For now, for few days I have been using other products that like I told you guys, I have been trying that for you guys, so I have been using that. But I will be like for the review purpose, so I will be doing the review video for that also. But for now I have been loving the products that I showed you in this video. So that's it for today's video. I am really very sorry because I was not able to post any video last week because I was going through my tooth pain and all of that, so many things were happening. But from this week onwards, surely I will be posting 2 videos per week as I have promised you guys. So yeah, so this is one of the video for this week, and the other one will be a vlog. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button beside subscribe button, so every time I am online you guys will get notified. And do tell me in the comment section if you have used any of these products, and do tell me in the comment section that how that products have worked for you. And if you haven't used any products, then do tell me that what all products you liked in this video, and what all products are you excited to use. So do tell me in the comment section below all of that. So I really hope that you guys like this videos. That's it for today's video. We will meet next time. Bye. This rose face toner